Hi there, students. Syllogism. A syllogism. Accountable noun. This word is linked to logic and philosophy. This is where you take one general statement or one general thing that you know, and you take another general thing that you know, and you combine these in a way to get something new that comes from the previous two. Okay, so you take two general statements, and these lead to a more specific statement. So, as Socrates put it, all humans are mortal. Socrates is a human. So, as a result, Socrates is mortal. You're combining two premises and you are arriving at a third one. And this is the idea of a syllogism. Let's see, I don't know. All humans have two arms. Alex is a human. Therefore, Alex has two arms. It's the same idea. You're combining two things to get a third one. It's a form of deductive reasoning. Yeah, a major premise, a minor premise, and then a conclusion. Okay, so I think we use this quite often. So let's see. If A, then B. If B, then C. Therefore, if A, then C. Okay? Yeah, so you are linking A and C through this second thing. I think you could probably use a syllogism more generally to mean deductive reasoning. But I think, in fact, it's more specific than that. You might also use syllogism to say an extremely clever, sophisticated argument. So he always uses syllogism to prove that I'm wrong. And I can never follow his argument. It's just too complicated. So yeah, a deduction, deductive reasoning. An assumption based on various previous bits of evidence. Okay, so formality. This is quite a formal word. I think I'd probably give it 8.5 in formality. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin syllogismus, which itself comes from ancient Greek, syllogissimus, meaning an inference or a conclusion, from effectively son, with, and logizethai, to reason. This is related to logic, logical reasoning. Okay, so a syllogism. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Syllogism.